When I first came into Future Builders, I was just thinking, okay, this will look good on my resume, but it's so much more because it's helping you prepare for your future if you want to go into business or not, because you're learning so many skills that you have and you get to know skills of other people, and it's just a great experience.
I get a lot of positive energy from being around these students, and they're sophomores or in high school, and they are talking and thinking in ways so beyond their age, and they just need a little bit of fostering and help with that.
As much as we can open their eyes into what life can be like, being your own boss and entrepreneur and leader and a builder here in Lincoln, I think it's opportunities like this that are really impactful.
The impact that local businesses have had on these kids is also incredible. Like Ink Alley and Fuse, I know the people who work there really gave the kids a lot of good feedback, and I think it's really important that they hit home that no idea is too small, and I think that was really important for these kids to know this week.
It's hands-on, it's not watching a video on YouTube, it's hands-on people telling you why this idea is bad, you know, where are you going to get the money for this, because it just doesn't come out of thin air. And that's helped a lot.
Yeah, we believe that the world is changing in such a way that we need people that are more flexible, adaptable, able to take their skills and take action. And there are very few programs out there that actually allow folks to get their hands dirty and do some things. We're excited to see what actually happens over the years as we continue to build the talent in Lincoln.
Higher education and education as a whole is a priority because it's an investment in the future. And when we are educating our young, we are encouraging them along the way, and that's good for Lincoln, it's good for our business, and we just thought it was a great opportunity to make Lincoln stronger by investing in our kids.
I think my greatest success was being confident. I think I really took control of moving ideas along and just not being afraid to share my ideas and putting ideas on the board and just hearing other people's feedback, just truly just being confident in my ideas.
There's so many cool things, there's so many cool people, all these projects that I'm hearing, they're over-surpassing all the expectations I had. This is like the coolest opportunity that I've probably ever had.
And I really think that the best part of a mentor is just someone who asks questions and hears your ideas. And so I just wanted to be what amazing mentors were for me when I was in high school for these kids, and I hope that I've accomplished that. We've had a fun time.